So today we're gonna make peanut butter snowballs, and I apologize in advance for all the loud noises in my house. We got a full house today. So I've already combined in this bowl the peanut butter, powdered sugar, graham cracker crumbs, maple syrup, and salt. Now I didn't have regular graham crackers, so I actually used cinnamon graham crackers. So I think that's gonna work in our favor. So we gotta mix these together. Smells really good. I'm gonna make some Christmas balls.
We're gonna throw them at each other for Christmas spirit.
Did you hear that? For Christmas spirit, we're gonna wing balls at each other. Come on over.
We're gonna.
You want it? Come and get it. Come and get it. Ah! Peanut butter everywhere!
I don't
You're
want some
right.
of that. I'll pop my peanut butter.
And then you make a ball of this goody goodness about yay big. Whoop. Hey, there he is. Baby, what's up?
What's up?
Yeah, help me make Christmas balls. There's not many left, so.
And I don't know.
Good. I don't like playing with balls.
And I don't.
Yeah, you do. You're a guy. You play with your own balls.
You can call the phases you want.
So I'm gonna put these in the fridge for about 20 minutes.
Oh, hi there. Good to see you. But, as you can see, I got this, extreme slingy rope. Yeah, that's the name. Extreme sling rope. Get those abs. As you see, I'm only on day 1 with this thing, so can't wait to see me in another 2 months. Ha ha! See y'all later. Buy these now at 200-846-971. Peace out.
Extreme sling rope. Best thing you could buy for $10.
Alright, so I had to leave them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes, and they're a lot more easy to work with now. So we're gonna pop them in there, spoon over some chocolate. Alright, so this took a lot longer than I thought it was. I'm gonna try to put some of these sprinkles. Chocolate's already hard. Here we go. Hard. Hard. They're hard! Fail. So as you can see, apparently this is a 2-person job. One dips the chocolate and then the other one puts the sprinkles on, because I was only able to get it on 2. Because all the other ones got hard. And then if you see what I mean, I suck at dipping stuff in chocolate, because look at the ass end of these balls. It's not supposed to look like that. So, we're gonna see. These bad boys gotta go in the fridge for another 20 minutes to solidify, and then we shall consume.
Oh, hello there. Are you just too fat and too lazy that you don't want to get up and walk? Well, I would get a fly around. You fly around. And it costs only $5. Peace.
Okay, so we're back. 20 minutes, moment of truth, out of the fridge. Not gonna lie to you. they look hella sloppy. Let me show you. So this is one. See, this side, not so bad. This side, not good. So I was using the spoon to like dip it and then put it on the baking sheet. And this was the side that had the spoon on it. So if you guys know a better way to dip stuff in chocolate and have it look like pretty and perfect and round, drop it in the comments because I got nothing. Again, noob. So let's get into this and try one out. Oh, here we go. Peanut butter snowballs. It's like a peanut butter cookie dough consistency in the middle. You see it? It's really good. I can't really taste the graham cracker or really anything else that we put in there. I just taste peanut butter and then the white chocolate on the outside, but it's super good. I'm gonna call down Alora and Chef Boyardee to get their take on it, and let's see what Alora says because she's not a fan of peanut butter. So if she likes them, then these things are money. What do you guys think about how they look?
They look like creative.
They look creative?
Yeah.
Yes. Very creative.
The white chocolate is like solid, and the peanut butter is like squishy.
So you like it?
Yeah.
Your face says that you don't like it.
I don't like the peanut butter.
So you don't like it?
I do like it. I just like the chocolate.
Okay.
Not because it's chocolate. Yeah, the sprinkles are like flavorless. I didn't get any sprinkles.
Would you have these again?
Mhm.
Yes?
Yeah.
No. Laura left. What? What?
I'll give you like 1 out of 10.
You know I'm not live, right? This is a recording.
I know, but I mean like 1 out of 10 for me. For us.
Okay, come here. So, 1 out of 10, Alora, what would you give it?
A 2.
A 2, okay. How about you, Erin? A 1 out of 10, what would you give it? Speak up. An 8? Okay. All right. I would probably give it maybe a 7 or an 8. But I really like peanut butter and I love cookie dough. And this is like peanut butter cookie dough. So in that aspect, I really like it. If you try to do the recipe, let me know in the comments. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye. And if you want to subscribe, hit that button and ring that bell. Ding, ding. Have a great night. Bye.